Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that might sound a little controversial. I want you to stop walking. Now, before you click away, hear me out. Walking is fantastic. It's a great limb-packed activity. But if it's the only thing you're doing for exercise, you might be missing out on some incredible anti-aging benefits. As we get older, our bodies change. We start to lose muscle mass, our bone density can decrease, and our metabolism slows down. While walking is good for your heart, it doesn't do enough to combat these specific age-related changes. To truly turn back the clock and keep your body strong, vibrant, and youthful, you need to incorporate exercises that build strength, improve balance, and boost your metabolism. The best part? You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Today, I'm going to share 4 powerful home exercises that are far more effective than just walking for keeping you young. These movements are designed to build functional strength, protect your joints, and give you that energetic, youthful feeling we all crave. So, if you're ready to upgrade your fitness routine and unlock a new level of vitality, stay tuned. First up is the king of all home exercises, the bodyweight squat. Don't be intimidated. You don't need to lift heavy weights. The simple act of squatting using your own body weight is a powerhouse movement. Why is it so good? Squats work your entire lower body, your quads, hamstrings, and most importantly, your glutes. These are the largest muscles in your body. Building and maintaining them is crucial for a healthy metabolism. Strong leg muscles also act as a support system for your knees and hips, helping to prevent joint pain. Plus, the movement itself improves your balance and mobility, which are essential for staying active and independent as you age. Here's how to do a perfect bodyweight squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Now, imagine you're about to sit down in a chair that's just behind you. Push your hips back first, and then bend your knees. Go as low as you can comfortably while keeping your heels flat on the floor and your chest lifted. Aim to get your thighs parallel to the ground if you can, but don't force it. Then, push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. If you're a beginner or have knee issues, start by practicing with a chair behind you. Actually sit down and stand back up. This is called a box squat, and it's a fantastic way to build confidence and perfect your form. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Our second exercise is the plank. I know. Everyone talks about the plank, but there's a good reason for it. A strong core is the foundation of a youthful body. It's not about having six-pack abs. It's about supporting your spine, improving your posture, and preventing back pain. A weak core can lead to that slumped-over posture we often associate with aging. The plank engages your entire core, including your deep abdominal muscles, your back, and even your shoulders and glutes. It's a static hold, which means it builds endurance and stability without putting stress on your joints. To do a proper plank, get on the floor on your hands and knees. You can either be on your forearms or on your hands, as if you're about to do a push-up. Extend your legs back one at a time so your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. It's really important not to let your hips sag down or poke up into the air. Engage your core by pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Keep your gaze down at the floor to keep your neck in a neutral position. Now, just hold it. It's going to feel challenging. Start by holding for 20 to 30 seconds. As you get stronger, you can work your way up to a minute or even longer. Try to do 3 sets. It's a mental game as much as a physical one, but the benefits for your posture and stability are worth every second. The third exercise is the glute bridge. This one is my absolute favorite because it's so simple yet so effective, especially for targeting the glutes and hamstrings. These muscles are often weak from sitting too much, which can lead to lower back pain. Strong glutes help stabilize your pelvis and support your lower back. The glute bridge is also fantastic for improving hip mobility. It's a very gentle, restorative movement that feels great. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Your arms can be resting by your sides with your palms down. Now, press through your heels and lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Don't overarch your back. Hold for a second at the top and then slowly lower your hips back down to the floor. To make it more challenging, you can try a single leg glute bridge by extending one leg straight out while you lift your hips. This will also challenge your balance. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. You'll feel that wonderful activation in your glutes and hamstrings. Finally, our 4th exercise is the push-up. Now, wait. Before you say you can't do a push-up, let me show you how everyone can. Push-ups are one of the best upper body exercises you can do. They build strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps, which is crucial for everyday tasks like carrying groceries, lifting objects, or pushing yourself up from a chair. Maintaining upper body strength gives you a sense of capability and confidence. The key is to find the right variation for you. The easiest way to start is with wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall about arm's length away. Place your hands on the wall, slightly wider than your shoulders. Lean in, bending your elbows until your nose almost touches the wall. Then, push back to the starting position. It's the same motion, just with less gravity to fight. Once you master that, you can move to incline push-ups on a sturdy table or countertop. The lower the surface, the harder it will be. From there, you can progress to knee push-ups on the floor and eventually full push-ups on your toes. The goal is progress, not perfection. Focus on good form. Keep your body in a straight line and your core engaged. Aim for 3 sets of as many reps as you can do with good form. So there you have it, for simple, powerful home exercises that do so much more for your youthfulness than just walking. Squats for metabolic health and leg strength. Planks for a strong core and posture. Glute bridges for a healthy back and hips, and push-ups for upper body capability. Remember, exercise is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly feel young, you need to support your body with a healthy diet rich in immune-boosting foods. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Things like berries, leafy greens, garlic, and ginger are wonderful natural remedies for inflammation. Staying hydrated is also key. When you combine these exercises with a nutritious diet, you're creating a powerful synergy that slows down the aging process from the inside out. Start slow, be consistent, and listen to your body. You'll be amazed at how much stronger and more energetic you feel. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on natural health and wellness. See you next time.